Hello everyone, in this tutorial, first you will open the tutorial file and then perform the 2D takeoff on the floor plan by using the options available in the Quantification Workbook window. The following steps are required to complete this tutorial. Open the tutorial file, display the project browser window and import the 2D sheet. Set up the project in the Quantification Workbook window. Perform the takeoff and at the last, save the project. Now, we will open the tutorial file in the software. Go to the Quick Access toolbar and choose the Open button. The Open dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, browse to the folder NWS 2024. Then open the Chapter 7 folder and select the tutorial file. Choose the Open button and the model is displayed in the scene view. Now, we will import the 2D sheet. Go to the status bar and choose this button, Sheet Browser. And the Sheet Browser dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, choose this button, Import Sheets and Models. And you will see the Insert from File dialog box is displayed. Now, in this dialog box, select this file, C0722 floorplan.dwf file and choose the Open button. You will see the item gets added in the sheet browser. Now, again, go to the status bar and then choose this button, Next Sheet. And you can see in the scene view, the 2D sheet is displayed. After this, we will set up the project in the Quantification Workbook window. Choose the Home tab and in the Tools panel, choose the Quantification tool. And the Quantification Workbook window is displayed. In this window, choose this button, Project Setup, and you will see the Quantification Setup Wizard dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, select this button, Browse to a Catalog, and here you can see the Browse button is enabled. Click on it, and the Open dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, select this file, 2D takeoff.xml file, then choose the Open button, and then choose the Next button, then the Finish button, and you can see various items are displayed in the Quantification Workbook window. Now, expand the area item and then select the area of chiller room item. After selecting this, go to the scene view and then by using the middle mouse button, zoom in to view the chiller room like this. After doing this, in the Quantification Workbook window, open this area drop-down list and select the Rectangle Area A option. Then go to the scene view. Then place the cursor on the top left corner of the room and then click. You will see a white dot is displayed at the click point and a rectangle is attached with the cursor. Now, move the cursor in the downward direction like this and then place the cursor at the bottom right corner of the room and click. You can see in the Quantification Workbook window, the area takeoff of the chiller room is displayed. Now, we will perform the area takeoff of the staff room located in the left side of the plan. Choose the Viewpoint tab and in the Navigate panel, open the Zoom drop-down and choose the Zoom tool. Then, in the scene view, zoom in to view the staff room. You can see here is the staff room. After this, in the Quantification Workbook window, select the item Area of Staff Room and then from the Area drop-down list, select the option Area A and then in the scene view, place the cursor on this point, point 1. You can zoom in and zoom out by using the middle mouse button if you are not finding the point. Click on point A and you will see a blue line is attached with the cursor. Then move in the downward direction like this. And then click at this point 2. Then move the cursor in the right direction. And click at the point 3. After this, move the cursor in the upward direction and click at point 4. Next, right click to complete the area markup. And you can see in the Quantification Workbook window, the area takeoff of the staff room is displayed. Now, in the Quantification Workbook window, choose the Backout button. Here you can see is the Backout button. Open the Backout drop-down list and select this option, Backout B. Now, in the scene view, place the cursor at this point. Click here and then move the cursor downward and then click at this point. Then move the cursor in the right direction like this and then click here. Then move the cursor in the upward direction and then click here. Now right click and you can see the Backout markup is created. And also you can see in the Quantification Workbook window, the resulting area is displayed. Now, open the Catalog drop-down list and select this option, Item Catalog. You will see the Item Catalog window is displayed. In this window, expand this item count and then select the chairs item. After selecting the chairs item, you can see the properties of the item displayed in the formula pane. Now, in the Object Appearance area, click on this Color button and you can see the color palette is displayed. Now, select the pink color and then choose the OK button. Then open the Quantification Workbook window and choose the Count button. After doing this, in the Scene view, click on the chairs in the staff room one by one, like this. Like this, you have to click on all the chairs. Now you can see we have clicked on all the chairs present in the staff room, and you can see in the Quantification Workbook window, the count takeoff is displayed in the takeoff pane of the window. And you can also see the number of chairs is also displayed in the navigation pane. Close the Quantification Workbook window and now we will save the project. Go to the Quick Access toolbar and from the application menu, choose the Save As option. And the Save As dialog box is displayed. Save the file as this file name and then choose the Save button. The file is saved. After doing this tutorial, now you know how to display the Quantification Workbook window, how to set up the project, and how to perform the takeoff. Thank you.